Benny and his colorful toy car. Once upon a sunny afternoon in a vibrant park, a cute bald baby boy named Benny sat proudly in his colorful toy car. His big, curious eyes sparkled with delight as he gripped the steering wheel. Benny's two best friends, Mia and Leo, joined him for this grand adventure. Mia, wearing a cheerful pink bow atop her head, bounced excitedly in her seat, while Leo, clad in a striped shirt, giggled with glee. As they zoomed down the winding path, the sun beamed brightly, casting playful shadows beneath the tall trees. The air was filled with laughter and the sweet scent of blooming flowers. Benny imagined himself as the world's best driver, steering them through a magical land where balloons floated high in the sky, dancing like colorful butterflies. "Faster, Benny! We're flying!" Mia shouted, her laughter infectious. Benny revved the engine, which was more of a delightful toy sound than a real roar, and they took off down the path, the wind ruffling their hair and the warmth of the sun wrapping around them like a cozy blanket. They passed by picnicking families and playful puppies, each moment a treasure. Benny's tiny hands worked the wheel expertly, while Leo pointed out fluffy clouds shaped like dinosaurs. "Look, Benny! It's a T-Rex," he exclaimed, his eyes wide with wonder. As they reached the park's centerpiece, a giant fountain spraying rainbows of water, Benny slowed down, letting the joyous scene soak in. They parked the car and jumped out, their giggles echoing through the air. Together, they celebrated their adventure, knowing that the best journeys are the ones shared with friends.
Free audio library.